Hello everybody. I said I wasn't going to come back until the 2nd of Jan, but I just thought I'd show you today what we're having for dinner. It's only going to be a little video, just bits and bobs, that's all. Let me show you. We're having a bit of steak, some sirloin steak we've got. I got myself some green beans in there ready to do. And what I've done is I just got some potatoes and I just put them in some boiling water and just parboiled them. And I'm going to do it in my air fryer. That's it really. I've already seasoned them. They've been out an hour, but I'm going to dry them up again and then give them another season. So we'll do that first. Okay, I'm just going to pass some excess water off the steaks, the good old sirloins. So they've been out about an hour. Lovely. Both sides. Yeah, I just thought I'd come on, you know, and just do a quick vid. I'm starting again next Tuesday, properly. It's going to be an out and about vlog, because we're going to go out, we've got to take a few things back for Christmas, and we thought we'd wait till after the rush has gone. We'll put a bit more salt on them. Okay, with my potatoes, I'm going to put a bit of salt in. As I say, just parboil them just for 5 minutes, that's all. Once they started boiling, in some salty water. Bit of pepper. And I'm going to put these at the bottom of the air fryer and my steaks on top. And then when my steaks come out, because I've got to rest, I can move them to the top of my air fryer then, if you get me. I'm going to put some smoked paprika in and all. Why not? I'm going to get a bit in there to get the flavour. And just a little drop of oil, just to mix it all together. That'll about do us. And we'll give it a mix. Well, a bit more paprika. Get it in there. The more the better with the paprika, isn't it? Smoked I'm using, I think. Yeah, smoked paprika I'm using. There we go. Get the air fryer on now. Okay, the air fryer has warmed up. I'm using my air grill function on this one. I'm going to get my rack out and I'm going to get my potatoes in the bottom first, and then when them steaks are doing, get all the juices off, drip onto the potatoes. Oh yeah. Get all them in there. And as I say, when the steak's resting, I'll take them out of there. There's somebody at the door. I'll put them on there like that. Oh yes. And we'll get the steaks. We get all three in. 1, 2, 3. And I reckon what, maybe 5 minutes each side? We'll check anyway as we go. Steaks done. I didn't want to overdo them, but they're looking nice at the minute. Could have done a bit more crisp on them, but they're fine. I'm leaving them resting. I made myself a little bowl, a little boat thing to catch the juices. Lovely. And I've just put my potatoes in. There they are. They're going to take about 10 minutes. All done. 20 minutes I think. They were 10 and I think that was 9. So yeah, and then that's rested while I was doing. The steak could have been better. Grilled better, I mean. But I think that's because I had the potatoes underneath. But if you've got 2 drawers, you're laughing, ain't you? Let me show you anyway. Hopefully the steak's cooked. And that's tucking in. Done. There's the potatoes. Obviously seasoned to taste, if you get what I mean. I don't like a lot of salt. That likes a bit more than me. Only on certain things. But there's the steak. Could have done with some charcoal bits at the top, look, some lines, but Nat will probably have that fat because I don't eat the fat. So Nat will be pinching that. There's Nat's tucking in. She just got out of the shower, ain't you, Bab?
Yep.
I'll
nick your fat then if you eat it.
You're nicking my fat. You're nicking it.
Bit.
It's the tastiest bit, she says. Let me cut it up
Right,
for you then.
know what I mean.
Let me show you. Let's bring you down a bit.
Steak's nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
see if you can see that and move you there.
Perfect.
Is it perfect?
No.
Yours is. Let's give you my stuff. They all should be done the same because I like mine a bit more bloodier, but I've just done them all the same. And so does Blake. But we've had yours time.
I'm sorry.
So well, I could have just took them out, couldn't I? But it doesn't matter. There we go. That's nicked the fat. There it is. Look, a bit pinkish, just a little bit. I could have done a bit pinker myself, but that's perfect for Natalie, isn't it?
Yeah.
How is the fat? Yummy. There you go. It's just something simple, guys. I just thought I'd do a little thing there, just while I've been doing a couple of things, and I'll be back next Tuesday properly. Got some juice in it. That.
Yes.
I got them steaks, by the way, from the butcher's. That's nice, isn't it?
Let's try this right now.
Season's nice as well, isn't it? I've seasoned that nice.
Yeah.
Double salted it.
Very nice.
And the potatoes. Yeah, could have done a bit more salt. But season to taste. I'll put a little bit of salt on them. Yeah, job's a good one, guys. As I say, I'm going live tomorrow anyway. For a couple of hours. Then I'll be back officially on the 2nd. Yeah, because we're going out, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going out on the 2nd, yeah. So I'll do a vlog and that on there. Let's say I am the old food guy. I'm going to start doing a lot more air fry recipes as well next year. So I know a lot of you asked, so I'm going to start doing a lot more of them as well. Because I haven't really done many on my channel, to be honest with you. And everybody uses air fryers, don't they? So it's best too. So as I say, give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow if you can make it. If you can't, have a happy new year to every one of you. And I'll see you Tuesday. See you later. Bye-bye. What are you marking that steak, Bab?
10.
Marking the steak a 10.
Happy New Year to everybody.
You having a steak? You having a 10? I'll probably give it an 8. Just because I've packed the bottom up. I could have had it looking a bit better. But the taste is nice, isn't it? It's a bit overdone for me. But everyone to their own. As I say, bye-bye.